The answer is 12 root 3. There might have, if the circle with center O has area 9 pi, the circle with center O, the area of this circle is 9 pi. We know the area of any circle equals pi r square. In case of theory, the area of this circle is pi r square. Here, the value in the question, there has been written the area of this circle is 9 pi. If you deduct 9 pi, then r square equals 9. That means r equals 3. So, r equals 3. What is r? R is the radius. What is r? R is the radius. This is the radius. Which color? No color shoots. R is the radius. This is the r. This is the r. This is the r. And this r is the radius of this circle. What to find out? What is the area of equilateral triangle ABC? You have to find out the area of this equilateral triangle. Okay. Here, 0 to D, 0D, the value of 0D equals 3 because it is the radius of the circle. In the same way, the value of 0A, its value also 3 because 0 to A, 0A is the another radius of this circle. So we can write 3 and 3. So AD equals 6. AD equals 6. You have to find out the value of ABC. Suppose AB equals A, BC equals A, CA equals A. That means the length of each side is A. So the length of this one A, this side is A, the length of this side is A. So the length of DB, equals half A by 2. The length of BC equals A. So this is the half of DB equals A by 2. So in case of this triangle, ADB, in case of ADB, we can find out A square. A square equals 6 square plus A by 2 then square. Pythagoras theory. In case of any equilateral, this one is equilateral triangle. This one is A, this one is 6, this one is A by 2. So A square equals the area of the square drawn on the hypotenuse. The area of the square drawn in the hypotenuse equals the sum of the area of the two squares drawn on another two sides. That means A square equals 6 square plus A by 2 square. A square equals 6 square plus A by 2 square. So we can write 6 square plus A square by 4 equals A square. Or this one is A square, this one is A by 4, A square by 4. Here, suppose A square by 4, that means 1 by 4 A square. This one is 1 by 4 A square and this one is A square. So if you subtract from here to here, then you get A square by 3. This one A square by 4. There is 4. That means 4 part of 1. 4 part of 1. 4 part of 1. If you subtract 4 part of 1, then you will have 3. You have 4 part. If you subtract 1 part, then you will have 3 part. So A square and this one is A square by 4. That means A square by 3. Sorry. 3 part you will have. 3. This 4 is lower side. Okay. 4 thrice A square. You will have 3 part. And 4 will stay in the denominator. Here 6 square equals 36. So A square equals 36 into 3 by 4. That means 4 by 3. 3, 4, 36, 9. What have I drawn? 3 square by 4 equals 36. So it equals 36, 3 by 4 if you want 4 by 3. Sorry. Now divide 3 for 12, 12. That is 48. 12 for 4, 48. So a square equals 48. At last, you have found out the value of a square equals 48. A square equals 48. What to find out? The area of the equilateral triangle ABC. The area of the triangle ABC. ABC. Area of ABC. The area of ABC equals, we know the area of ABC equilateral triangles equals root 3 by 4 a square. It is a theory where a is the side. So you can write root 3 by 4 a square. This is the square. Value of a square equal 48. 48. So 12 root 3 is the answer. The answer is 12 root 3. There might have a mistyping. Don't leave it. Okay.